Welcome, friends. I invite you to simply draw your attention to your breath. You don't have to change anything. You don't have to judge it. Just simply bring your awareness to your breathing. Allow your jaw to unclench. Relax your forehead. Allow your shoulders to fall. We're just taking a few moments to relax and just come back into ourselves. Your body does a lot of work for you, and so it's wonderful that you're willing to take just this nice moment to allow your body to relax and just kind of find your center for a moment. Allow your body to feel whatever surface you're connected to. If you're laying down, I invite you to allow yourself to really feel the weight of your body against the bedding or against the chair you might be sitting in. And just really allow that heavy weight to just deepen and ground you. If your feet are on the floor, I invite you to just really feel the floor beneath your feet and imagine yourself being rooted to the ground, safely centered. If you're laying down, I invite you to just feel your body melting into the surface below you. Continue to draw your attention to your breath and allow your breathing to deepen slightly. Wonderful. It's so great that you're willing to take this time for yourself. You really deserve it. Times are hard, and you deserve to take these moments to yourself to simply recenter. You know, you're really coming back into your body. If there's anything you need to shift or adjust to be more comfortable, go ahead and do that. This is for you. Do what makes you feel most comfortable. All right, we're going to take a few deep breaths to really allow proper relaxation of your nervous system. So we're going to take a deep breath in and hold and release. All right, we're going to take a couple more. So inhale, hold, and release. And one more. A deep inhale, maybe the deepest breath that you've taken today. In, hold, and exhale. All right. Feel free to stay here as long as you like, or if you're ready, allow your awareness to just come back to your surroundings. You can gently wiggle your feet, or your toes, or your fingers, and just sort of bring back sensation into your body, thanking yourself for taking these precious moments to simply care about yourself, because you deserve your own time. Thank you so much for spending this brief part of your path with me, and I invite you to come back and remember to take care of yourself, because you deserve your own love. Thank you, friends.